Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ferti C-Injection Easy Guide. Prepare a clean surface, gather your syringe, medication, alcohol swabs, sharps container, and a bandage. Confirm the dose and check the vial label and expiration. Wash your hands thoroughly and don gloves if advised. Work in good light, keep a written log of doses, and have a phone nearby for emergencies to stay safe and organized. Start by checking the vial label and expiration date, then confirm your prescribed dose. Use an alcohol swab to clean the vial top and the skin at the injection site, then allow it to air dry to reduce infection risk. Pull air into the syringe equal to the dose, inject it into the vial, draw medication carefully avoiding bubbles, and double-check the amount before proceeding. Position the patient comfortably and relax the muscle at the injection site to minimize discomfort. Use the recommended technique for pinched or stretched skin, insert the needle at the prescribed angle, and administer the medication steadily. Withdraw the needle smoothly, apply gentle pressure with sterile gauze, and place a small adhesive bandage. Monitor for immediate reactions, record the lot number.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.